Yo, what going on, y'all? As y'all can see, we in the big body range today, and we about to drive the range. We currently in the downtown area, and I was like, why not let me pull out my camera and record for y'all. So that being said, let's get started into this. Look at the interior. The interior is crazy. Like, let me know if y'all like this interior. Let me know if y'all like this one of the AMG interior. I was gonna make this a no talking video, but I seen someone in my comments say like, well, I'm not talking. So I was like, let me start yapping. But yeah, this shit crazy, I can't lie. This shit tight like a booty hole. Let me stop playing. Yeah, I'm using the navigation. I don't even know how to like. It's crazy. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Like, this car is smooth. Like, let me show y'all. You can do this with like your finger, your pinky. It's smooth as hell. I ain't gonna lie. I'd probably get, if I was to get a SUV, it would probably be this one for sure. Cause I like how smooth it is. I ain't even gonna lie. I really, really like. I don't know. Let me know. Would y'all get this or a Bentley? I don't know. But this shit's smooth. I'm over here laughing. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, I'm over here laughing like crazy. Oh, did I just hit the wrong exit? I don't even know. I think I just hit the wrong exit. Alright, y'all, like, their point of view about to be long as hell because I just missed my whole exit. Like, it is crazy. Y'all see we got to fit on. We go these baggy pants with the red 5s. But this ain't even I don't know why I'm always showing a fit check when this ain't even a fit check. This is a point of view drive. I just realized, I don't know if y'all can see. I can also see the map and the destination over there. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty steez, pretty cool. No cap. We got 26 minutes. So this drive is gonna be pretty long, but this car is so smooth. I know I keep saying that, but like, y'all don't understand how smooth. Like, it feel like I ain't even driving the car. It's just smooth as hell. It's crazy. Like, it generally feel like I'm not even driving the car. That's how smooth it is. The pedal and the steering wheel, you don't even gotta like. The AMG steering wheel is heavy as hell, but this one ain't even that. This one ain't even that heavy. It's just like, look, let me show y'all. It really, you can just use one finger, pinky finger, middle finger. I ain't sticking my middle finger out at y'all though. Go. I just got off of school, so y'all probably wonder like, damn, where your energy at? I just got out of class, and the class was ass. I ain't even gonna lie. I had a long ass day today, but when I hopped in the range, shit was better. No cap. Cause that car is so steez. Like, the car steez as hell. I ain't gonna really do too much talking. I know y'all, I always say that, but I don't really like talking during my point of views because I know y'all probably just want to enjoy the ride and enjoy the car. So y'all just vibe out to the road noise. Put this on while you doing your homework, eating your food, going to sleep, whatever you doing. Just vibe, twin. Oh, that's the wrong. I'm tripping. That's the wrong exit. I gotta take thumbnail, y'all, so give me a second. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but there's a little Mini Cooper, a little geeked up Mini Cooper. I think he got a muffler and an exhaust, and the car just popping like crazy. I never seen a Mini Cooper geeked up. I think it's a Volkswagen like Mini Cooper. I don't know if y'all can see it, it's green. But that whole loud as hell, I ain't even gonna lie. Damn. That boy on some hood rat shit. Y'all know we civilians and we don't do illegal activities. Stupid ass. That's a hard Audi over there. I don't know if y'all can see that. I used to like Audis, but I don't really like Audis like that no more because I had an Audi and it was in the shop every day. So I was like, nah, I can't. I don't mess with Audis. But yeah, let me stop talking and let me let y'all enjoy that point of view drive. This shit crazy, y'all. Like, I know I keep saying that, but like, I really like the interior. I like the brown. Let me know how y'all like the brown. The brown just go crazy. I don't know. I really mess with the brown. It hard. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm tired of shit. No cap. But y'all know I'm gonna keep working for y'all and keep giving y'all these point of view drives, cause they're crazy. And this the shifters right here. Let me show y'all. This like the shifter. So this the part to put it in reverse. You gotta like grab over here and you do that. So, and then to put it on park, you click it. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. This a British car, cause I'm Mercedes, Audi, and BMW. They Germans. So this a British car. So yeah. So the British be making these. Give me some gas, so we gonna go to the gas station. No cap.